Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Here's what can help you improve vascular tone. Problems with blood vessels are not jokes. Vegeto-vascular dystonia, which is so easy for us to write in cards, doctors are not only harmless, as it seems. The fact that this phenomenon is common does not mean that it is not dangerous. We will tell you what to do to improve the tone of the vessels. 1. Go in for sports, but try not to overdo it. When you move, the cells are saturated with oxygen. 2. Swim and drink plenty of water. Vessels love water, because it is so similar in composition to the blood. 3. Avoid stress and try to sleep more. 4. Dish clean air and give up smoking. 5. Add to your diet raw vegetables and fruits. Bran will not be superfluous. These products strengthen the vessels. And share your advice with your friends. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.